knows what you think about me, and I know I shouldn't care.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, that's my toddler. My name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a fill-in grocery haul. I did not plan to do all this today. Tomorrow is my official grocery shopping day because Rob was hungry and I didn't have a meal plan. I didn't have nothing planned for the week. So I wasn't even supposed to spend this much money, but I figured since I spent all this much money, I would do a grocery haul for you guys. It's not a lot of stuff, but let's just be nosy, okay? Okay, so Destiny said I should use my little light bulb situation. So I picked up Jason Raymond chicken flavored noodles, 12-pack, because if I don't go grocery shopping for the week, this can feed all of us. We should be able to get by, considering the fact that we don't have any food in this house. So this should feed all of us, including the toddler over here. So we have Raymond. Let me do her stuff so she can get out my face. I got her some party size. Yeah, this is my hand. Party size Cheetos, crunchy. Here you go. And then I got her. I just picked up. Like I'm telling you, this is not an actual grocery haul, so please don't come for me and talk about this is junk. I'm telling you, it's junk. Here you go. What do you say? And her Lunchable.
She picks it up every time.
Yep. There you go.
You're all set.
There you go. Bye.
Mommy, has more.
Huh?
She said there's actually more.
Oh, there's actually more. I'm so sorry. Good job, Madison, with your words. And then we got peanut butter, cheddar cheese, peanut butter. It's a lot of peanut butter. This is her stuff, her snack for the week. What do you say? You're so welcome, baby. Enjoy. You can take it and go. Who else is waiting on stuff for them? Janelle? And that's, okay, where's your stuff?
Popcorn.
Okay, so we have Skinny Pop. They're hungry. Popcorn, sharing size for Miss Destiny. I got her bread. So this is 6 gram net carbs because I'm trying to cut carbs with her and trying to teach her to make healthier choices. So this is her bread. This is the twins' bread and Jackson because, you know, they're boys and their body just don't recognize carbs whatsoever. I feel so all over the place, so let's start over. All right. Okay. All right. That's good. So we can just go back to being normal. That's a bag of trash that needs to go to the trash can. But that's not why we're here. This is why we're here. It's just so much chaos going around my house. If you're new here, I am so sorry. This is not like normal. This is not normal at all whatsoever. Please don't think this is normal. I don't know. Whatever. We got cotton candy. 2 for Miss Destiny, because she likes these. And then we got vanilla cream. I don't know why she likes these things. So that's hers for the week. And then Maddie wants one, too. So I got her one. Oh, Lord. Girl. All right. Back to the haul. Janelle picked up Almond Joy coffee creamer in this house. In this house, everybody likes different flavor of coffee creamer, so this is hers. I got the 0 sugar caramel macchiato. Right now, I'm currently stuck with my weight loss. I went back up a few more pounds, and I'm stuck at that exact weight. So I figured I would try something different. So I'm going with the 0 sugar caramel macchiato, because I'm doing keto. And then I saw these and I was like, ooh, I like this. It's the Habanero Ranch organic and it's only 1 gram of carbohydrates for 2 tablespoons. So I figured I would try this out. And then I also got the avocado ranch. And it's the same macro, it's the same nutrient. It's the same nutritional fact. Rob decided he wanted... Maddie, don't do that, please. My anxiety. Oof. Maddie, have a seat, please. Rob wanted to try Vermont Village ginger and honey apple cider vinegar. And I want to see if this is any good. I want to try it because I'm about to start doing a shot of apple cider. Well, it's a tea. So you do apple cider, green tea, and Mct Oil together. And you drink that for 7 days. And it's supposed to help with weight loss. So I picked up this Mct Oil. 100% made from coconut. So I want to try this out. Rob got some 100% orange juice. For this is for Mr. Rob. He got the sirloin Philly steak. So he picked up 2 of those. And then for Miss Destiny and I, this is the Extreme Wellness High Fiber Tomato Basil. I got 2 packs because Destiny and I will be sharing, and it's only 4 net gram of carbs. Some people count whole carb, but if you're doing whole carb, the carbohydrate is only 16, so that's not bad for one. That's not bad. This could be a treat as well. Rob is going to make quesadilla for lunch for him and the girls. So he picked up this one. Mr. Jason. We got him some snack. He loves hot fries. Quesadilla cheese for their quesadilla. Fresh spinach. And then we got some caramel rice cakes. They didn't have the chocolate this week. We got some brown sugar for Destiny because she likes to bake cookies. We have oven roasted chicken breast for Rob lunch tomorrow. Hot dog for Miss Maddie because she's out. Then Janelle found Java chip flavored Oreo cookie, and I am so tempted. Like, I love Java chip. Like, if you guys don't know anything about me, you should know that I love Java chip. And for 2 cookies, it's 21 grams of carbs. And I haven't had any carbs today. So I'm thinking I'm just going to have to start over tomorrow with trying to get back into ketosis. Because look at this, guys. Look at that. Yummy. You're bad. Bad. Rob got on the border cafe style Mexican grill. What are these, chips? No. Yeah, I did that. And then for tomorrow's meal, just in case I don't go out to go get grocery, I picked up a pack of chicken thighs and might make curd chicken or fricassee chicken. I got some heavy whipping cream to go in my coffee. Skinny girl popcorn for Rob. Janelle picked up some salad for herself. Rob picked up these chicken salad. These are really good. They're 4 packs. And then he got the potato salads, the deviled eggs. These are really good. Miss Janelle, she have Chex Mix family size. And then Rob picked up Queso Blanco cheese dip. And then he also have Snack on the Run tuna salad kits. He has the Snack on the Run salmon salad kit. And then he got the Starter Kissed tuna salad original deli style. So those are for his lunches. Janelle wanted me to add dumplings to the menu this week. And I'm not a fan of kneading flour, so I showed her this as the Thai basil vegetable dumplings. And I was like, this gonna have to do, girl, because I'm not making any dumplings in this house because I will eat dumplings. Like, yeah. I got some cayenne pepper. And then I picked up this Bang. And it's the birthday cake bash. I want to try these out. What else did you... Oh. And then Janelle picked up kimchi. So I've never had this, but it looks so good. It looks really good. So that's that. And I'm going to show you guys the beverages that we picked up also. Okay, so for beverages, Rob got the 40 pack of value, 40 half, are these half? Oh, half-liter bottle value pack water from Walmart. And then Janelle got the lemon lime. I got the Canada Dry ginger ale, and Rob got the same thing. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's Filling Grocery Haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps my channel out and bring in more content like this to you guys. So without further ado, let's end the video. Bye, guys.
Somebody who's never gonna be around for me. I'm running out of energy, I realize.